Hey guys. So I just remember that old Mexico friends destroy our kingdom, and now yeah, I gotta save this fish. So where's it? There it is. Oh, now there's gonna be a short video, and also guys, xwerid and diamond gonna burn will came back. Where's the fishy? Yep. I hope that fishy is, Also guys, I gotta rebuild my fault. What? Yep, they joined my fault. My Weber fault. Yeah. Okay. Look, fault. Alright. They destroy it. They totally destroy it. What the heck? They destroy it. Why? Oh. Okay. Let's go still. This was I would again. Oh. They're gonna pay a lot, guys. Oh. Also, this is gonna be a short video because I can't make videos when my family get back. So it's gonna be a short video. It's me. Where's my redstones? They took my redstones. It's war. Where's I gotta make TNT. Where's my gunpowder? Well, did they destroy my maps? They did. This is war. Oh, I guess. We will be back in for another day. It's gonna be a log built. Alright. Also, have fun. And leave a like and subscribe. And make a comment if you want another video of this. Or what an episode 1 of destroying and having a war with xwerid and diamond. This is gonna be yeah. I'm mad. They destroy Mexico and ours house and kingdom. Alright, bye guys.